Hello children, welcome back. So we are doing a revision. So today we are going to see the revision on factors and rules of divisibility. So let's see some important points. The the number that are multiplied to find a product are called its factors. One is a factor of every number. It is also the smallest factor of a number. Every number is a factor of itself. It is also the greatest factor of that number. The factor of a number is less than or equal to the given number. Example, factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. That means 8 comes in which all table? It comes in 1, 2, 4 and 8 ka table. So the factor of a number is less than means say this 1 is less than 8. So factor of a number is less than or equal to. So this last number is equal to the given number. Every number has at least two factors, the number 1 and the number itself. Moving ahead, rules of divisibility. The rules of divisibility will help you find which numbers divide others without leaving a remainder. Now we'll see a number is divisible by. This is a shortcut to find out whether the given number is divisible or not. Earlier we used to divide it and see if the remainder is 0, then we can tell it that that number is divisible. But now here we'll see the shortcut. Let's see. A number is divisible by 2. How we will see? So if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that means if these numbers are coming in the last digit, that means that number is divisible by 2. Let's see. For example, see 32, last digit is 2, 90, last is 0, 116, last is 6. So that means these numbers are divisible by 2. 5. If the last digit is 0 or 5. For example, 40, 75 and 920. 10. If the last digit is 0. For example, 20, 130, 500. Next, a number is divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Example, see 84. We are going to add this number. 8 plus 4 gives you 12. Now this 12 comes in 3 ka table, right? So that means 84 also comes in 3 ka table. Next, 9. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Same patterns follows here. 81. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 is divisible by 9. So that means 81 is also divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 4. If the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4 or ends with 00. For example, 84, 216, 800. See your last two digits, 16, here, 00. It comes here, 16 comes in 4 table, 00 also. So that means these two numbers are divisible by 4. 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, that means that number is divisible by 6. So, see here, this 24 comes in 2 table also and 3 table also. So, it will come in 6 table also. If a number is divisible by 2 and not divisible by 3, then it is not divisible by 6. If a number is divisible by 2, if a number is not divisible by 2 but divisible by 3, then too it is not divisible by 6. It should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Then only it will be divisible by 6. So children, I hope you have understood this. So if you have understood, do the assignments for practice. Thank you.